All right, so welcome back to another class of introduction to Python programming. So today, what we're going to focus on is we're going to keep building our Discord clone. If you are just come in, I will ask some of you who haven't provided your project idea. I'll go ahead and ask you about that, so I know who everybody's work on. Please rename your name. Let's see if I give you your ability to rename. Yeah, please go rename your name if that's not the name that you're appearing in the last class, in the last week, because have the name of last week dragging down there. But yes, so we'll go ahead and get started. So first, what I will do, one second. One second. All right. So what I would do first is, one second. Yes, Kyle, what's your question?
Are we gonna work on the stuff we like as a group? Are you gonna work on it like ourselves, or are you gonna help us?
I'm going to do a quick check-in with you guys at the latter half of this class. So if you have any question, can ask me. Also, if you have any question, you should also email me as well if you encounter any issue. But I would do it. Yes, I would do a quick check-in the latter part of this class. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. One second, once I got the Excel sheet loading. So just to give you guys idea who I stealing the idea from, I need idea from Alex, Bella, Brian, Calvin, Haudra. Let's see, who's it? Justin, Calvin, Ken X, Kevin. Yes, I have Kevin's. Kevin Y. I have Kiki and Nina's, but I haven't read it yet. Let's see, we have Kyle. Also need it from Ricky, Samuel, and Zimin. All right, that's who I need it from. I'm going to go ahead and ask you guys now. Let's see who's not here. Okay. All right. So let's see. First is Bella. Is Bella here? Okay. Bella's not here. All right, Brian. Brian, are you here? Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Do you have your project idea for what do you want to add? Or what bugs do you want to fix for the Discord clone yet? Brian? Do you have your project idea for what do you want to add for the Discord clone? Hello? Brian, can you hear me? I'm going to come back to you, okay? Alex. Alex, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have an idea for what you want to add or fix for the Discord clone?
Not really.
You have to have an idea. So that's like yes?
We've had a few ideas before.
All right. 1 second. All right. 1 second. So yeah, you have to come up with ideas. Thank you, Brian. Got a try idea written down. Alex, so you had to, so what's your ideas? Name some ideas and we'll see.
There was like, I think we've got like colors, to add colors.
To add what?
Colors to the clone.
Colors? Colors to what?
To the Discord clone.
Okay, want to add more color? We have that. Kevin said that. Kevin H said that. So you do you have any other ideas?
Oh no, we're in the same group.
You guys on the same group?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, that makes sense. Now I would say, okay, all right. So let me go and make sure I add that part in. Okay, thank you very much. All right, let's see. Bella, are you here? I don't think Bella's here. Let's see. Calvin, are you here? Calvin, can you hear me? Calvin, can you hear me? Actually, it's Calvin Zheng. Calvin. Can you hear me? 1 second. Let's see. Calvin, can you hear me? All right. All right, gonna come back to you. Let's see. Not here. Justin, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. What's your project idea for Discord clone?
Isn't it just doing like a regular, like just doing a Discord clone?
Yeah, so what feature do you want to add as to the Discord clone as your final project?
I would like to add like a home page and your own profile page.
Okay, sounds good. Go ahead and work on that. All right. Let's see. All right. Calvin G. Calvin G, what's your project idea? Calvin G, what do you want to fix or add to the Discord clone? You have to give me an idea. You cannot say I don't know. You got a week to think about it. You have to give me an idea. You have to give me an idea. We're all waiting on you. Calvin, please give us an idea that you want to work on. Calvin, come on. You got a week to think about it. That's like your homework. Calvin, come on. Calvin G, what do you want to add to the Discord clone or fix? It's okay, Ethan. It's okay. I just made my own copy. It's all right. All right, Calvin, you have to give me an idea. All right, have to give me an idea. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to, actually, no, I'm not going to do that. You have to give us an idea. I'm going to come back to you, okay? That's your last week's homework. You have like 140 something hours to think about it. And you could just spend like 5 minutes to think about it. All right, let's see. Ken X, are you here? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to add to the Discord clone?
I don't know. Maybe extra stuff like maybe I actually don't know.
Well, I mean, have a
maybe add some. Nah, I don't know.
well, you have a week to think about it. Have to give me an idea today.
Okay.
I mean, I'm gonna come back to you, okay? You have to give me an idea, all right, to work on. This is like your final project. This is important. You must give me an idea. So think about it. What's on the origin of Discord, but it's not on our Discord clone, so you can work with it. Let's see. Kevin, are you here? Kevin, why? All right, what's your idea for the Discord clone? You are on a group with Kevin H and Alan. All right, cool. Kevin Y is on a group with Alex L and Kevin H. All right. Okay. All right, thank you very much. Ricky, are you here?
Yes.
What's your idea for the Discord clone?
I don't really have an idea right now.
You must give me an idea, please. You have
What do
like
you mean? Like, what do you mean an idea?
what do you want to add to the Discord clone?
I guess like better modeling and stuff.
Better what?
Like art design. Like just not like text, maybe some pictures and stuff.
All right, better art design. Okay. Samuel, are you here?
Yes.
What do you want to add or fix to Discord clone?
I want to add to, then you can add people and have a private chat with them.
Okay. All right. Sweet, okay. All right, thank you very much. Coming back. Bella's not here. Calvin, are you here? Calvin, do you have an idea yet?
Maybe.
Maybe what? What's your idea?
Like my one's kind of like another person's.
Okay, what's your idea? Tell me.
So it's kind of like a Zoom meeting where you can chat with them like face with face but online.
So face by face, like a Zoom meeting or something?
Yeah.
Like Discord call? Nobody
Yeah.
has mentioned that yet. Are you sure you want to try that out? That's probably going to require a lot of research. You want to try that out? Are you sure? So you can add it because that's a little bit difficult. Okay, I wrote it down. Thank you very much. Just be sure you can finish it next week. You guys have like previous week to work on it, and you guys have next week to work on it. So it's due. You will all present on November 28th of the class. Let's see. Ken X, do you have an idea? I mean, actually, let's go here first. Calvin G, do you have an idea yet? Calvin G. Hello, Calvin G. Calvin G.
That I just said my idea.
No, you are not the one looking for. No, you are Kelvin Guo. Oh, okay. 1 second. Sorry. Wait. Okay. Chat. What do you mean? You need to elaborate on that. Elaborate on that, please. Elaborate on that, please. What do you mean by chat with people? We already can chat with people. What do you want to add or fix? Calvin, we're waiting for you. Calvin. All right, private chat, that works. Let's see, pinging, somebody already work on pinging. Kyle, Jerry, and Peter already work on pinging. So don't worry, you don't need to worry about that. All right, Ken, what do you want to add or fix to this work clone? You are the last one for this class. Ken, are you here?
Yeah.
What do you have an idea yet? You have what do you want to add?
No.
What do you want to add to the
No.
Discord? You have to have an idea. We're gonna wait for you for having an idea because you have an entire week to think about it. What's your idea? How to give us one, please?
I don't know.
Well, you have to give us one idea. We'll wait for you until you give us an idea.
I'll think of one.
You have a previous week. You have like entire previous week to send it, and you didn't send me an email to it. So sorry, you have to tell me idea like right now.
Maybe. I don't know. Or maybe I think. Maybe like. Maybe add a.
Add what?
Maybe more passwords.
What?
Maybe I don't. Maybe an app that's
Okay, Ken. Do you know how to make an app?
No.
No. So you have to do something that you can do and to add it so you can present on next week. And that's what you need to do. So what do you want to add?
So I can. Yeah, I think I could do an app. Yeah, I think I can.
All right, it's due on next week. Can you finish it?
Yeah, I think I can.
All right, what kind of app, Android or iOS? Where you want to do both?
Maybe a app that I still have to figure out the details. I think an app that you need a login.
Okay.
And then maybe Hangman app. Yeah.
Okay, no, Ken. It's something that you need to add to the Discord clone. It's not like random thing that you need to work on.
Oh.
Something has to relate to the Discord clone. Yes. So you have to give me an idea related to Discord clone.
An app that requires login. Yeah.
Okay, that's not our Discord clone already have login.
Okay, how about
Anybody has any idea want to suggest to Ken? Ken.
You like a topic, child?
Yeah, you can type in the chat and read it out loud.
okay.
Okay, Ken, here's an idea for you. Do you want to work on upload file? The ability to upload a file and send a file? Or custom emojis, pictures?
Oh, okay. Emoji app?
Emoji? Okay. So you need to elaborate on what do you mean by custom emojis later, but you can think about it when we are still building. So here's an idea.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. All right, thank you for everybody's help. Now we got everybody's here. Should have an idea yet? If if I didn't call you, here you're always useful. If I didn't call you, most likely you're not here last week. Don't worry about it if you're not here last week, because you are supposed to work on last week and then this week in order to finish it. All right, let's go ahead and back to what we are supposed to do. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, everybody has a project idea. If you need to go early today, let me know. We will have a quick check-in meeting I will have a quick check-in meeting with all of you at the latter part of the class. If you cannot be here, let me know so I can put you a little bit earlier or other time. All right. So this is our register function that we implemented last time, right? We have this check username. We have all different steps, fill out the form, validate, hash the password, save it to the database. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the register. So now what we're going to take a look at is how can we log a user in. All right, how can I log a user in? I hope we have enough time to actually talk about Socket and how to use Socket. But since none of you guys really related to the Socket, so I will go up brief. You guys can look through the video tutorial that I made to get some idea where you guys can research the code. I will explain the code a little bit then if we cannot finish it today. Explain the code so you guys can work on next week. All right. So let's go and work on login, finish our authentication part up. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say at app.route/login. Here, let's go ahead, define login. Create a new function called login and pass. Okay, that's what you need to do. All right. And in here, we'll just say comma message equals to get post. All right. And then here, we're going to separate into two sections. If request method is post, that means we are submitting the form. Otherwise, pass. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you send the snapshot? I deleted my GitHub thing.
Yeah, my one isn't like opening. It's not opening.
Okay. All right. No problem. Thank you for letting me know. Here you go to everybody who need it. Snapshot. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
No problem. Then we'll go ahead and wait for you guys to either get a snapshot ready or to finish type the code. All right, let's get like a couple minutes to do that. Okay, you can scroll down a little bit. Right here. All right, let me know after you guys finish the code and just yell something like yell, yes, I finished, or type something in the chat. So now you guys are finished and we can proceed. All right, is everybody finished with the code?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. All right, feel free to take more time. Kyle, let me know if you finish. All right. Yeah. Kyle, let us know once you're finished, so we can proceed.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Okay. So now we're gonna type is this. Let's see if I can find the code. Okay. So in here we'll say this. We'll go ahead and first of all, gotta check if the form is valid. All right. Pretty simple. It just like how we did it here. So we can really just copy and paste it right there. All right, copy and paste it right there. And then what we need to do is we will check whether username exists in our database or not. Okay, so here we'll just type user equals to c.execute, select a select query, select star from users, where username equals to username. Again, this is what we call adding like a variable in the query string. We're adding parameter, later providing the parameter value in a dictionary after it. Like that. So it can avoid SQL injection. Hopefully at least. So, and then here just say dot fetch all. To fetch all the rows. So to be honest, I can do fetch one, but I'm not sure how to really parse the data for fetch one. So do this for now. All right. This query probably gonna take you a little bit more time to type. If you want to going on have like a spoiler alert or something, or take a look because we're going to type. Feel free to take a look at the source code. If you're already finished, you can take a look at the source code and keep typing. Well, we are waiting for some other people to catch up. So blob stand for binary large object. You don't need to worry about that. Master just means it's a master branch. You also don't need to worry about that. These are some GitHub stuff. You just need to click on the link. That's like the code that you are basically typing. Though the order might change a little bit, but once you find the code, it's pretty much the same. All right, then here we're gonna type is this. And here just type if length of user, because recall the user gonna return as a list, right? If the list is empty, that means we don't have any valid rows. It means the user typing information is incorrect. So say if length equals, it's actually we'll say if not equals to 1. All right, it's not equals to 1. Then here we can say return invalid username. All right. So most of the time you just want to say invalid username or password as like one sentence. So like they don't know whether the username is wrong, the password is wrong. All right. To prevent certain hacking. And then here can just say, and then, but if the user is indeed valid, we're gonna do is gonna say pw hash equals to user bracket 0 brackets. 1 second bracket. Oh God. Let's see if I can possibly read through this. Kinda need to, oops. 1 second. User ID, username, password. Okay, so password is 2, bracket 2. All right, so that's the password hash. All right, that's we stored for the user. That's the password hash. I'm going a little bit fast here because I try to get a lot of stuff to finish before break. Since after break, it's like you guys can work on your project. But okay, password hash. So they're actually counting. Okay, not surprising. All right, password hash. So password hash is more like so again, that's just like the hash that's we stored with along with the user's information. And then here we'll say this: if check password hash, we'll put our password hash in here, and then let's see, what do I put? We'll say request.form.getPassword. One second, Kyle, let me finish this. So we're basically just check against the password hash that's created before and the user's new password. Can you just check password hash to check what did the user type, if the users type like their plain text password match it with the password hash. If so, we'll say equals to false actually. That means it's not true. Then here I can say return invalid password. Invalid password. All right. Okay, I will stop here for 1 second for you guys to catch up. Yes, Kyle, you can tell me what your question is.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
Yes.
Why is my fetch all red?
It's what do you mean by red? I don't see on my screen it's red. Okay, make sure it's not on the new line, okay? It's just a continuation from line 52. It's on the same line, but just it's soft wrap, so it's break down, all right? It's not a new line. .fetch is not on a new line.
Oh, okay, it looked like it was on a new line.
Yeah, all of them are on line 52 for mine, okay? They're all on line 52. They should be on the same line. Peter, I will try my best to go a little bit slower, but I really want to get most important part of this to finish. I don't think we can actually. So I might have to just explain the code that I have written. But you guys can take your time. So that's why I have to pause here so you guys can finish it up. Finish typing out the code. All right. Is everybody finished? Does anybody need more time? Does anybody, okay? Okay, again, .fetch all is on the same line as the C.execute, blah, blah, blah. It's just a continuation, all right? Okay. Kevin, go ahead, share your screen then. Kevin, why go ahead, share your screen, please? Unless you cannot share your screen, please let me know as well. All right, thank you very much. Okay, the issue is this. Notice here the indent correctly. Right there. Okay, now there you go. Yep. Now I think it should work. All right. Yeah, now I can stop sharing your screen. Alrighty. I'm going to share my screen again. Does anybody, okay. All right, here we go, we're back. Does anybody need more time still? Pierre, do you need more time still?
Yeah, I'm a slow typer.
Okay, all right. Probably next, if we have next iteration of the class, I'm maybe going to give typing as like a weekly homework or something. I mean, typing is so important, whether you do programming or not. But it's okay, we can wait for you. For those of you who are finished, you can go and read through the code that's sent in chat. Okay, Calvin, I'm not sure, are you in the class when we started this Discord clone? But since you're the last week, I'm just kind of assume you are. So here's a link of the Discord. Does anybody want to explain Discord clone to Calvin Z, please? Anybody want to explain? All right, well, if nobody volunteers, I'm just going to explain.
It's basically a wannabe Discord.
Okay, that's pretty much it. Do you want to explain a little bit more details of Peter?
It's just Discord without any of the features except like chatting. But then
Right.
like it's for educational purposes. I'm doing air quotation marks right now.
That's actually pretty much it. Basically, it's just a live chat and web app. All right, live chatting, you can join a room. You can do all like chat, just, you know, just chats, join on the room, stuff like that. So nothing really special about it for now. You guys can add your own new feature to it. That's why, so we can keep, everybody can collaborate on this project. Which is one of the fundamental idea of open source.
I'm done, I think.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you for letting me know. Let's see. All right. 1 second. Okay. You can go and chat. You can just do a live chat with people. You can create a room, stuff like that. There's register and login and syndication. That's what I'm building right now. Maybe the only feature that we can actually build. But yeah, that's pretty much about the Discord clone. You can also send message. As we all tried. You don't make your own one, you add a feature to it. Because as Peter said, basically has nothing Discord provide beside a live chatting web app. So you guys can add new features that you want to add to the Discord call. All right. Okay. So now what we can do is once we check all these, once we validate all the information, yes, basically, Calvin, yeah. Once we finish that, well, what you want to go ahead type is you want to go ahead type from Flask, you want to type comma session after from Flask import blah, blah, blah. All right, we're going to import a new module or new function maybe. I'm not sure what exactly it is. Or more new class called session. And in here, we're going to store session. So session is unique for every time when a user make a visit. All right, the Flask automatically keep each session checked. So in here, what we can do is we can just possibly give a user ID. So later, whether if you want to know whether this user logged in or not, we can just check if their session data contains user ID. If it does, then that means user's logged in. Otherwise, it doesn't. So in here, I can say bracket 0, then return login successfully. All right. Login successful. All right, so I got a good news and bad news for you. Good news is that you don't have to do any more typing. Bad news is you have to listen to me now, because you're gonna explain the code that I've written and be ready to read the code that I have written. All right, once you're ready, that should be all this indication part we have. So we have a logout. Actually, let's do the logout as well. So
Wait, no, can I just please?
1 second. I'm gonna logout function is really quick. Session.clear, if I remember correctly, and return logged out successfully. Yep, that's really all logout function takes. Just clear out the session so we don't have user ID anymore. Thus, obviously, it's gone. All right. All right, let me know after you guys are finished. All right, that's all the code that's gonna write. Let me know if you finish. I will explain the rest of the code using that's I write. And then we can, yeah. And then we can proceed. All right, the Discord link I sent above. Your session is underlined yellow. Be sure to have this line included. All right, from Flask, import Flask under template, request, and session. And then it should get rid of the yellow underline. Let me know if you guys finish with the code. Class Discord is a link that's okay. So you guys kind of work on your own for right now, okay? Kyle, could you type normally in the chat, please? It's a little hard to read. Class Discord clone, we really haven't merged yet per se, but here's a source code. Okay. Here's a source code. That's what we'll add. All right, yep, I'm sending the link in the chat. That's like the source code, like the code itself. All right, and that's the code that you will add on, basically. Okay, so now what I want to talk about, is this. So, let's see. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and share my screen, and I want to briefly, okay, this is now obviously not what I want to do. I think it works. Okay. Actually, no, this is not what I want to do at all. Okay, so now here's what I want to do. I want to explain briefly what's happening, like especially the key important part. You don't need to worry about this. All right, this is like initial setup and connect with a service called Sentry for managing like error tracking and stuff like that. The /room/string room ID, remember this is like a placeholder where wildcard, as sounds matches this pattern. This basically just check if the user can join this room or not. All right, if you visit this link, if you haven't joined yet, you'll automatically join. If it's private room and you don't get an explicit invitation, you cannot join. Okay, and then we got this broadcast message. This is really interesting because you can see that the first time that we had this @socket.on broadcast message. This is just a way to say that once we receive a user type of message and send it from the front end, this is where it's going to be processed. All right, going to save to the database, and then it's going to emit. Which emit, you can see it's going to do another socket thing. That's just like a socket name. And then with the information, with the data that you want to broadcast. And then in the front end, we're in the JavaScript. Later, we can just process it. All right, we can process it. That's register at login. This is how we create a room. This is something that we have when you connect and disconnect. Basically, it's like how you can see that somebody's online and somebody's offline. All right, you don't need to worry about this API. We actually have a direct private messaging implemented already, but feel free to add some if you want to implement that. This is like a @me dashboard thingy, not that hugely important. Delete, this just means if you want to delete a room, here's how you can delete it. Okay, that's pretty much the code. All right, that's pretty much the entire code explained in less than 5 minutes. Sounds pretty simple, but it took me like a lot of time. Peter, I'm not sure where should I send it to, so I'm just going to send it to everybody actually. All right. You can also read through the code. Let me know if you have any questions. But before that, you can go ahead and take a break. We're going to see you back at 6:25. 15 minutes break. You guys can get in the group to chat. 1 second, Peter. I'm going to turn the chatting to everybody public and privately. So feel free to chat publicly and privately with each other. Beyond that, that's it. So have a great break. I may not be here during the break, so feel free to just type your question in the chat. Does anybody have any question right now? You don't have to be in a group. You can work individual as well. All right. Have a nice break. Just gonna chat each other. Get pause snapshots above, please check. All right, everybody, please start coming back. Yes, Calvin, you could change your ID to a bot. Sure. Let me just update it right here. If I can. Good luck on that. You all need to finish it by next week. All right, so you have like a next week, entire week to work on it, and it's due on next Saturday at class, which you will present your project, create a pull request, and that will be it. And then we'll actually vote for your favorite project, your favorite addition. All right. Shit. All right.
Can you send the get pod snapshot, please?
Huh? I already sent that GitHub snapshot in chat. Please
No,
take.
no, you sent the GitHub one. The GitHub, like the Discord clone one.
Okay, 1 second. All right. Okay. Here's a snapshot. Apologize if I sent it wrong. Okay. So I'm gonna start calling people by order. You will do a checking meeting with me, which the project that you should already start work on last week. You should already start work on last week. Let's see how many group we have. So we have 1 hour. We have approximately, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each person will group have about 4 minutes or 5 minutes to chat with me about your progress, see if you can finish it. We'll go by alphabetical order. Whoever's like their group names have like the highest like come first with their first name. Okay. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna invite you guys to a breakout room. So the first one up is Alex, Kevin H, and Kevin Y. I'm gonna create a breakout room. Gonna assign you guys. You guys should see an invite in just one moment. Kevin H, Kevin Y. All right, now Alex, Kevin H, Kevin Y, you guys should receive an invite. Please go ahead and join. I'm gonna join in a little bit.
Hello? Why is everyone...
He's probably making the breakout rooms.
Wait, so can he hear us?
Probably.
Noise.
Is in the breakout room.
Wait, never mind. He left.
Bagat.
He left the meeting.
Bagat. B. Why is no one like? Why? Where's the teacher? Why are we not talking? What the frick? Confusion. Is it that hard to make a breakout room? I'm dying. Kyle,
Yeah?
what mechanical keyboard do you have?
Huh?
Do you have a mechanical keyboard? I heard that you do.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's called like Mercury mechanical keyboard.
Noise. Ah. Ah, nice. So does it say an S in the middle? Like at the top?
Yeah.
Noise. Where'd you buy it?
I don't know. My dad bought it, and then I just took it.
And you just gave it to you?
Yeah.
Nice.
There's like a sale or whatever.
Looks nice. Whose iPhone?
Someone said they were a parent.
Okay, all right. So 1 second. Let's see. It's gonna take a little bit of time. All right. So next up is, let's see, who's next? Next is Brian. Please get ready. Yes, Calvin, you could use a bot. I changed it. Yeah, you could use bot for it. Yep, you could create a bot, indeed. All right. Okay, Brian, get ready. You're gonna share your invites. Yeah. All right, 1 second. Room 1. Okay. Alex, Kevin, H, and Kevin Y, you guys shoot another invite. So you can go join the breakout room. All right, let's see. Brian, I'm gonna invite you to join the breakout room with me. So you can explain your project a little bit in detail. See if I can figure out how to do that. Oh no. Can I not? Okay, Zoom's being a little bit stupid. All right. Let's see. How can I make this work? Why can I not do? Oh, okay, I can do that. Oh, okay, I know. Brian, let's go to room 2. It's Brian. Oh, okay. Invite. Brian, let's go try. All right. Thank you very much, Brian. Let's see. Next, what else? Oh God. Seriously, do I have to do this right now? Okay. Next is Calvin. Calvin, I'm gonna give you an invite to join the breakout room with me. Let's see. Let's go there. Rooms 3. Go ahead, click on the join the breakout room, please. Calvin. Okay. There we go. By the way, guys, in the main session, guys should work on your project. All right. For now, just work individually with our group.
It's like the Hunger Games where every one of us are getting pulled out for 5 minutes. So scary.
Not 5 minutes.
Yeah, more like 10, but okay.
No, it's like 3.
No, it's like way more.
Oh, well, you'll find out when you have to go. Oh, no, you've already had.
All right, next group is Jerry, Kyle, and Peter. All right, you guys can come into a breakout room.
Please don't torture me. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Baguette.
What? Okay, I'm not interrogation, but all right. Let's see.
I'm Bagat. I'm B Bagat. I'm Peter. I'm B Bagat.
Okay, I don't really recommend you guys to change your name. Probably should take that feature off next time. It's making me hard to find you. Peter, there you go. Kyle.
Baguettes are very good.
There you go.
Baguettes are very good.
Please mute yourself. Thank you. I don't think Jerry's here. Jerry, are you here? Jerry Lee? Yeah, I don't think Jerry's here. Okay. All right, Justin, you are next. If we didn't finish on time, I want you guys to stay until we finished. So yes, thank you very much. Justin, where are you? Okay, just gonna send you into a breakout room. Please go ahead, join. Justin, please go ahead and join the breakout room, please. Thank you. All right, next, let's see. Calvin G. Calvin G, I'm gonna invite you to join the breakout room, okay? Assign 2, 6. All right, Calvin G, please go join the breakout room. Calvin G, thank you very much. All right. Next is Ken. Oh, Ken, I'm gonna invite you to a breakout room, okay? Go ahead and join, please. Ken, please go join a breakout room. All right, so I don't think we're having enough time for, so here's the deal. If I didn't have time to talk with you, you have to stay on this meeting. I will try to make this as short as possible, okay? So yeah, so we just have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more people to go. Next up, Leon, I'm gonna give you a breakout room so you can join. Leon, where's Leon? Leon, you're the iPhone one, right? Room 8.
Yes.
I have a question.
Sorry, Kyle, I'm not gonna take any question for now. I still have like 3 more people need to go through.
Really,
Have a
how do you run the thing?
Yeah,
Right.
the flask. It's like not working.
Okay. Staying there, I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? Here, please don't. Okay. All right. Okay. So for Ricky, Samuel, and Zemin, I'm gonna let you guys join a breakout room at once, so we can save some time. Wait, actually, did I go through Nina? Oh shoot, I didn't go through Nina and Kiki. Okay, let's see. All right, a lot of people are gonna come in. Nina, Zemin, please don't leave. Please don't leave. Nina, Kiki. Okay, Nina, 1 second. Zemin. Kiki. Ricky, Samuel. What do you mean by next term? iPhone, I mean, Samuel. I mean, no. Leon. What do you mean by next term? Next year, we haven't decided yet. Okay, I haven't decided yet.
Why is no one talking?
Baguette.
Okay, Kyle, could you share your screen, please?
I will. Wait, it's loading.
Okay.
Why is the full screen not working?
Okay. All right, let's see. Could you go ahead and use a link that's you guys created? That's how to create this.
Oh yeah, it's not this one. It's not this one either. It's this one. It's this one. Like what do?
Okay, so in here, go type. Okay, type. Okay, remove everything you type. I didn't tell you to type anything yet.
Oh, no,
Type
me.
pip.
That's probably
Pip.
other.
Type. What?
That's probably the other person.
Okay. All right. Well, Peter, just stop typing. Pip install. -r requirements.txt.
Did I spell requirements right?
Yes.
It stopped.
Wait,
Oh,
just
never
wait.
mind.
Just wait. Scroll down. Scroll down. Didn't tell you to scroll up. Wait.
I gave you a remote control just in case.
Okay. Actually, you know what? Go ahead, type Control-C in the terminal. Type Control-C in the terminal.
Wait,
Type this. Type this. Pip. 1 second. I need to figure out. See if that actually. Okay. So. My computer's also lagging. Taking for that. Okay, just have pip install Flask with F capitalized and okay. Type Flask run. Okay, type pip install Flask -socket.io with F and S capitalized. -socket.io. No. It's Flask socket.io with F and S capitalized, connect by a hyphen. No space in between. All right, press enter. All right, now type flask run. Flask run. Okay, don't type anything, Peter. If you that's what you're doing, I mean, I don't know. Okay, I just need to, oh my God, what do I have? Okay, type pip install term color. After that, type pip install markdown. After that, type pip install SQL alchemy. So it's spelled like SQL. I'm gonna write it right here. SQL L.
You can remote control my screen.
I want you to type it out to practice it. Oops, SQL. Oh. Pip install SQL alchemy. Did you have Y at the end?
Oh.
Okay. All right. Now go type flask run. There you go.
Like, just go with you.
Yeah. No, it's Control plus, click. Read the text above, Control plus, and click, Control click. Press Control and then click on it.
Yeah, nothing's happening.
That's me, didn't do it correctly. Let's see, did it? Okay, I'm gonna control your screen. Okay, doesn't. Well, just somehow click on the link, okay? That's all I need to do. I mean, I don't know why it doesn't work. When you comment, click it. Just control click on the link and that works. And that should work, okay? Read the text above, control and click. I'm not sure why it's not working. Peter can try see if it works, but if it doesn't work, I don't know how to fix it. Okay.
What do I do?
Okay, Claire didn't listen to me. Click on ports. Could you try click on ports?
I just want her to go here.
No, it's not. It's not gonna work. Go back. Okay, to wait. All right. Wait until this change to something else, and that should work. All right, just wait for this change to something else.
Should I reload it?
What?
Should I reload it?
No, don't. I mean, you can try if it still doesn't work for a long time, but now, I mean, you don't need to do all the pip install things anymore, so you can just have flask run next time. Okay. All right. If you guys have any further questions, just email me. Have a nice evening. Bye.
Okay.